हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज आम पढ़ा पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर। कैपेसिटर ये दुईटा कंडक्टर्स थाए, गोटे कंडक्टर को पॉजिटिव प्लेट कहती आ गोटे कंडक्टर नेगेटिव प्लेट कहती। ये डायग्राम रे ये कंडक्टर 1 जोटा पॉजिटिव प्लेट पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, ये चार्ज है प्लस क्यू एवं आर कंडक्टर टी नेगेटिवली चार्ज। ये दुईटा प्लेट है पैरेलल एवं दे आर प्लेस्ड क्लोज टू each other एवं यार साइज होची लार्ज एवं यार प्लेन एटा होची प्लेन पैरेलल प्लेट कंडक्टर। सेपरेशन बिटवीन टू प्लेट इज d। A parallel plate capacitor consists of two large plane conducting plates separated by small distance, separated by a small distance. Here the separation distance is d, and the space between these two conductors is vacuum. Here the intervening medium is vacuum. Clear? Now the plate 1 has charge plus q and the plate 2 has charge minus q, and here we note that A is the area of each plate, Clear? So charge of plate 1, that is plus q, charge of plate 2 is minus q, and separation between two plates is d. We assume that the plate is large and d square is much less than a, so the electric field between two plates is assumed to be uniform, and these two plates are infinite sheet of charge. The plates are assumed to be infinite sheet of charge. So electric field is uniform. So between two plates, electric field E, that is given by electric field due to sheet that is 1 that is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So electric field due to sheet 1, that is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So this is positive plate, so electric field that is from positive to negative, and similarly due to this negative plate, electric field also towards itself, so that is also sigma by 2 epsilon 0. बुझो ना, sigma by 2 epsilon 0 होची sheet 1 जो electric field है that left to right. Clear? And also sigma by 2 epsilon 0 होची electric field due to sheet 2, it is also towards right. This is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. So electric field between two capacitor is sigma by epsilon 0. Since electric field is uniform, so potential difference between two plates is, that is V equal to ED, and the value of E, that is sigma by epsilon 0 into D, and sigma is the surface charge density. Sigma is that is surface charge density. So charge on positive plate is q, its area is a, so q by a. This is surface charge density. कहीं ना प्लस क्यू ची पॉजिटिव प्लेट ऊपर सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी, माइनस क्यू है नेगेटिव चार्ज ऊपर सरफेस डेंसिटी. एटा प्लस सिग्मा, एटा माइनस सिग्मा, then sigma equal to q by a. Clear? Now the capacitance C of the parallel plate capacitor. The capacitance C of the parallel plate capacitor is by definition C equal to q by v, and this is equal to q by v is this is sigma d by epsilon 0, or this is equal to q d by a epsilon 0. So now C equal to q by q d a epsilon 0. So this is epsilon 0 a by d. So formula is C equal to epsilon 0 a by d. So this is the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. Now we note that capacitance C is proportional to area of each plate. Larger the area, larger its capacity, and also inversely proportional to d. Smaller the separation, larger the capacity. Now let us consider one typical example. Take A equal to 1 square meter. A equal to 1 meter square. Area of each plate is 1 meter square, and distance of separation is 1 millimeter. Clear? So this is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Then what is the capacitance of the capacitor? So C equal to epsilon 0 a by d, and the value of epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton per meter square into area of each plate is 1 meter square, and divided by the distance d, that is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So capacitance is that is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 9 farad. आगु मु कहि farad टा होची bigger unit, larger unit. So let us find how it is big. So bigness of 1 farad. So let us find from this formula. First write C equal to 1 farad, and suppose the separation is 1 centimeter. दीटा प्लेट मध्य दूरता 1 cm नबा एवं कैपेसिटर कैपेसिटी 1 farad नबा. तो प्लेट रे एरिया रे केते हेबो? प्लेट रो एरिया, so A equal to C D by epsilon 0. So बर्तमान पुट करिबा C जगह रे 1 farad पुट करिबा. So 1 farad into D टा 1 cm ले एटा 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So 10 to the power minus 2 meter divided by 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton per meter square. Clear? So this is equal to 10 to the power 9 meter square. 10 to the power 9 meter square. तामने 10 to the power 9 एटा को लिखा जाय परिबा 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3 square. Clear? तामने 10 to the power 9 meter square हला एटा हला हजारे आ एटा हमर 10 to the power 3 मीटर माने किलोमीटर हे जिवो. एटा किलोमीटर हो, किलोमीटर स्क्वायर हे जिवो, किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. तामने पाखा बाकी एटा केते होची 30 किलोमीटर into 30 किलोमीटर समथिंग माने एटा 900 हजार पाखा बाकी हला एटा पाखा बाकी नियरली. तामने प्लेट एरिया ता लेंथ रा हो 30 किलोमीटर ब्रेड ट्रावल 30 किलोमीटर इतने बड़ प्लेट एरिया तो प्राक्टिकली संभव नुह तेणु 1 फैरेड जदि कैपेसिटर हम तेज ये साइज प्लेट एरिया हम तेणु केते बड़ 1 फैरेड बुझे तेणु आम प्राक्टिकल यूनिट सब माइक्रोफैरेड पिकोफैरेड एगुरा सब नि जाए। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल so that the SI unit of epsilon 0 may be written as farad per meter. So capacitance C, that is equal to epsilon 0 A by D, or epsilon 0 is equal to C D by A. SI units of C is farad, D is expressed in meter, and A is meter square. So epsilon 0 SI unit of epsilon 0, that is equal to farad into meter divided by meter square. So this is equal to farad per meter. Thank you.